What's in the box? Thread sealing tape accessories. TWG009BW Bluetooth gateway. TTV102B Bluetooth smart irrigation timer. Instruction manual, quick setup guide. Product overview. TTV102B Bluetooth smart irrigation timer. Brass inlet. Outlet. Button. TWG009BW Bluetooth gateway. LED indicator light button. LED indicator light. TWG01. Install app on your phone. 1. Download the RainPoint app. Search for RainPoint on Google Play or App Store or scan the QR code to download the RainPoint app. 2. Register your RainPoint account. Open your RainPoint app and select Setup. Follow the prompts to register a RainPoint account with your email or mobile number. Install app on your phone. 1. Download the RainPoint app. Search for RainPoint on Google Play or App Store or scan the QR code to download the RainPoint app. 2. Open your RainPoint app, select Setup. Follow the prompts to register a RainPoint account with your email or mobile number. Step 2. Connect the Wi-Fi hub. 1. Plug your Wi-Fi hub to an indoor power source near your Wi-Fi router and the outdoor location of your timer. 2. Open RainPoint app and tap Add Device or Plus to add a new device. Tap Smart Add manually. Then select Irrigation Hub. 4. Select 4 GHz Wi-Fi and enter the password. Tips. If your router is a dual-band router, identify the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Please tap Common Router Setting Method to name the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. 5. Press and hold the Wi-Fi hub button until the power indicator blink rapidly, 2 times per second. Then select Confirm it. 3. Connect the Wi-Fi timer. 1. Insert 4 new AA alkaline batteries into the bat of the timer. Replace the battery cover and is secure. 2. Tap home screen and tap plus to add timer. 3. Tap smart irrigation and add manually. Then select 5. Install the Bluetooth water timer. 1. Turn off the garden faucet. 2. Wrap Teflon tape around the faucet threads. 3. Screw the timer to the garden faucet and make the display as vertical as possible to the ground to prevent rainwater from accumulating and leaking into the interior. 4. Wrap Teflon tape around the threads of the timer outlets. 5. Screw the garden hoses to the timer outlets. 6. Turn on the faucet after programming the timer. Tips. If the connection between the timer and the faucet or hose is not tight or leaking, wrap more Teflon tape, thread seal tape, to make them tight. Please install the filter properly and keep it clean as follows.